Level 10, Proficiency. The Town Mouse and the Country Mouse. In a quiet meadow, the country mouse lived modestly, content with bread, grains, and berries. One day, his cousin, the town mouse, came to visit. When he tasted the simple fare, he laughed with scorn. "Cousin, how meager is your table? Come with me to the city, and I will show you a feast fit for kings." Intrigued, the country mouse followed him to the city. There, within a grand dining hall, he saw a splendid banquet spread across the table: cheeses, cakes, roasted meats, and sweet fruits glistening in the candlelight. The country mouse was astonished and longed to taste the delicacies. But just as he reached for a crumb of cheese, the door flung open, and a fierce cat leapt into the room. The mice scattered in terror, their hearts pounding, until the danger passed. Shaken, the country mouse said, "Cousin, your life is filled with riches, yet also with fear. Better is a crust of bread in peace than all your feasts in peril." With that, he returned to his humble home, grateful for the safety of his simple life.